Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's do another quick prediction for tomorrow, the 7th of October 2025. We have the Nifty daily chart here. We see that the price has crossed above the cloud and that seems bullish. So we are just waiting for the lagging span to come out of the cloud and we can start doing or we can start thinking about bullish trades on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, uh, we see that the price has taken support. Sorry, the price has crossed above the cloud, came back to the Kijun-sen, taken support at the Kijun-sen and the cloud, and is now above the first 4-hour candle of the day. So that is a good sign. The second thing is we still have to wait for the lagging span to come out, and we have to wait for the cloud to become, the cloud has to have a thicker width. So we have to wait for that on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, again, sweet. On the 1-hour time frame, we see prices above the cloud. Again, it's bullish. Um, but the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen are kind of flat. They are not yet, the momentum hasn't picked up yet really. So for the momentum to pick up, we have to wait for the lagging span to be out of the cloud. And the cloud is green. So the cloud has to start thickening up for the bullish trend to continue. So let's wait for that. On the 15 minutes time frame, uh, yeah, seems bullish to me. See here, this is a typical case where we had the Tenkan-span and the the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen are they came above the cloud. The cloud turned green here. The lagging span came out of the cloud above the price, and if you see this trend, you could have easily caught this trend. We do not take trades on the 15 minutes. Yes, that is very true. But this is something that could have given you a suggestion that price is bullish today on the 15 minutes time frame. So yeah, this seems like a bullish day today. So when we see the support and resistance for tomorrow, I have the support and resistance here. As usual, I will post it on the Telegram channel and you can pick it up from there. Uh, all in all, I think Nifty is starting to get bullish. So let's wait for the lagging span to come out of the cloud, and that will give us a good, momentum for the trades.